I have been driving for a long time. The highway is straight and quiet. I see a sign for a rest stop. I decide to pull off the road. I take the exit and drive into the parking lot. It is much bigger than I expected. There are rows of big trucks parked on one side. A few cars are near the building. I park and turn off the engine. I sit still for a moment. Then I open the door and step outside. I have been sitting for a very long time. My legs feel a little stiff when I stand up. There is a building ahead with bright lights. Near the entrance, there is a row of vending machines. There are many drinks to choose from. Some are hot and some are cold. I pick a hot can of coffee. I press the button and hear it drop. I pick it up. The can is very hot. I can't drink it yet. I walk around to the side of the building. I don't go inside. I stand in the cool air and hold the can in both hands. The warmth feels good after so long in the car. A big truck pulls slowly into the lot. Its lights are very bright. I just stand there and watch. After a few minutes, the can is a little cooler. I take a small sip. It tastes good, strong, and a little sweet. I finish the coffee slowly. I find a trash can near the entrance and throw the empty can away. Before going back to my car, I stop and look up at the sky. It is dark blue. I can see a few stars. I walk back across the parking lot to my car. I get in and close the door. I pull back onto the highway. I still have a long way to go, but I feel better now. I turn on some music, something quiet, and keep driving.